welcome back to Your Values. Hope you are well. Today it's a little video to show you the Your Values Life Guide book and to speak about it more in depth. I already did a video about that, but not in details. So this book, I've worked on it for about a year and a half, and I'm very happy that now it's out. So what the book is basically a life guide to find your balance, peace, happiness in life. You have everything in here. Quite simple book, not a huge book, to keep it very easy, and yeah, easy to read and take notes. So basically, we are made of body, mind, and soul, okay? And this book is in 3 parts, so 1 part for each of those. In each part you have writings, so I explain to you, for instance, in the body part you have food and physical exercises. I explain to you the history of food, the history of physical exercises. You can discover food throughout the world, physical exercises from different cultures, different sports, and then it's followed by templates. Like, for instance, in the food category, you have different recipes from around the world with all the nutrients, calories, if it's vegan, vegetarian, pescatarian, with meat or not, which country it comes from. Physical exercises, you also have a list of nice things to do every day, stretching, and many other things. In the mind mind part, it's exactly the same basically, so theoretical part and then practical part. And then you have the soul, which for me to enhance the soul, I believe there are 10 life values, which are the 3 first are for healing, so consciousness, acceptance, and forgiveness. Then you have the other values to build up and enhance your soul, like meaningfulness, focus, perseverance, patience. And then you have the 2 last values that are maybe kind of the result of the hard work, which are respect and gratefulness. Respect and gratefulness, voila. And so then you have basically, for the same thing, for each of the 10 values, you have a description of what each value means, a definition, and following by templates with inspirational books or movies you can check out to get inspired, quotes, and daily exercises to acquire those life values. And just before that, you have obviously the introduction to the program. And before that, you have my story. I explain to you who I am, what's my life journey, my healing journey. I'm going to have a video soon about that, so stay tuned. And who I am, so you get to know me better, but also you get to maybe get inspired, identify yourself, maybe find solutions, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to purchase the book, you can get the link approximately everywhere, like on my YouTube, Instagram, website, whatever. In the meantime, I wish you a beautiful time and see you soon on Your Values.